In this video, I'll show you how to design a custom 5x7 postcard in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva, click More. In the search bar, type A4 and select A4 Landscape. Go to the File menu. Click Settings and choose Add Guides. Click on Custom. Set columns to 2, gap to 1.1, margin to 1.6. Set rows to 1, margin to 1.7. Click Add Guides. Now, customize your project using the grid as a reference for precise alignment. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching.